Think you need to spend a fortune for a killer keyboard? Think again. The days of choosing between cheap, mushy keyboards and ultra-expensive customs are over. Today you can get premium features, hot swappable switches, wireless PBT keycaps, for under $100. I've tested dozens to find the 5 best keyboards that deliver insane value. Let's dive in. Let's dive right in. First up, the Keychron K6, a keyboard that's been making waves in the mechanical keyboard community. It's a compact 65% keyboard, striking a balance between functionality and space-saving design. That keeps your arrow keys, which are essential for many workflows and games, but saves desk space, giving you more room for your mouse, notepad, or that cup of coffee. The aluminum frame option not only adds to the aesthetics but feels premium, offering a solid and substantial feel under your fingertips. And the hot swappable PCB is a game changer. Lets you easily change switches. Experimenting with different feels and sounds has never been easier. No soldering needed, making it accessible for beginners and convenient for seasoned enthusiasts. Connect up to 3 devices, seamlessly switching between your laptop, tablet, and phone, via Bluetooth, offering a clean and clutter-free workspace. Or use USB-C for gaming, ensuring a stable and low-latency connection when you need it most. Battery life is solid, so you don't have to worry about constantly charging it. Lasting weeks with backlighting off, making it a reliable companion for long work sessions or travel. The K6 is perfect for anyone looking for a keyboard that can do it all. Wanting versatility, whether you're coding, writing, or gaming, wireless convenience, allowing you to move freely and create a minimalist setup, and a taste of the custom keyboard world without breaking the bank. Whether you're a gamer seeking a responsive and tactile experience, writer, needing a comfortable and efficient tool for crafting your stories, or just want a clean setup, free from unnecessary clutter, this board delivers on all fronts. It's customizable, allowing you to tailor it to your specific preferences. Reliable, built to withstand daily use and provide a consistent typing experience. And a fantastic entry point into the world of mechanical keyboards. Keychron K6 punches way above its price, offering incredible value for its features and performance. Let's move on to the Royal Kludge RK61. A keyboard that has carved out a significant space in the budget-friendly mechanical keyboard market. It's a 60% keyboard beloved by gamers, especially those looking to maximize desk space without sacrificing the tactile feel of mechanical keys. The RK61 stands out for its ultra-compact size, making it an ideal choice for gamers with limited desk real estate or those who prefer a minimalist setup. Due to its compact form factor, it does away with dedicated arrow keys in a function row, which might take some getting used to for certain users. However, this design choice gives you maximum mouse space, allowing for wider and more comfortable mouse movements during intense gaming sessions. The compact design also contributes to a clean and uncluttered look, perfect for those who appreciate a minimalist aesthetic. It offers dual-mode Bluetooth and USB-C connectivity, providing flexibility for both wireless and wired setups depending on your preference. And let's not forget the vibrant RGB lighting, which adds a touch of personality and flair to your gaming setup. The best part? All of this comes at a price point of around $50, making it an incredibly accessible option for budget-conscious gamers. While the build is primarily lightweight plastic, which might not feel as premium as more expensive options, it keeps the keyboard portable and affordable. The good news is that newer models offer hot swappable switches, a feature typically found on higher-end keyboards. This allows for easy upgrades and customization, letting you tailor the keyboard's feel and sound to your exact preferences. Overall, it's a budget-friendly and modder-friendly board, offering a great platform for experimentation and personalization. The RK61 is perfect for fast-paced gaming where quick reflexes and ample mouse space are crucial. Plus, its RGB lighting can be customized to match your flashy setups and create an immersive gaming atmosphere. So, if you're looking to dive into the world of mechanical keyboards and want something that's both affordable and easy to customize to your liking, the Royal Kludge RK61 is definitely a top pick to consider. It's a great option for gamers on a budget, and for anyone wanting to experiment with keyboard modifications without breaking the bank. The RK61 delivers core essentials, all at an unbeatable price point, making it a fantastic value proposition. Meet the Redragon K552 Kumara, a TKL tank built for durability. Metal top plate, sturdy plastic base, and Udamu blue switches for loud, tactile feedback. Strictly wired with a thick USB cable. No wireless, just reliability. Red-only backlighting adds flair without the RGB price. This keyboard is for those who want a no-nonsense, long-lasting board for home or school. It's simple, tough, and perfect for first-time mechanical users. If you want a keyboard that'll last for years, the K552 is a steal, built to take a beating and keep going. Now for something completely different. We're shifting gears to a keyboard that prioritizes portability and convenience above all else. It's the Logitech K380, a keyboard designed to be your constant companion. This is a compact membrane keyboard, meticulously built for ultimate portability. It's all about taking your work or your play on the road. It's ultra light, you'll barely notice it in your bag. It fits easily in any bag, from a small purse to a fully loaded backpack. And here's a key feature. It pairs effortlessly with up to 3 devices simultaneously. Connection is established via Bluetooth, ensuring a stable and reliable link. Device switching is instant, thanks to the Easy Switch keys. It works seamlessly across a multitude of platforms, including Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android operating systems. Typing is quiet and surprisingly comfortable, making it ideal for shared workspaces. This is thanks to the laptop-style scissor switches beneath each keycap. Battery life is impressive, running up to 2 years, and it achieves this longevity on just 2 AAA batteries. The K380 is particularly ideal for students juggling multiple devices, travelers who need a lightweight and versatile input solution, and remote workers seeking a clutter-free workspace. It's perfect for anyone who needs one keyboard to rule them all. It's definitely not designed for gamers, but it's virtually unbeatable when it comes to multi-device productivity on the go. So, if you truly value portability above all else, and appreciate quiet operation in shared environments, then the Logitech K380 is undoubtedly your go-to keyboard. Last up, the ACO 3068B, a 65% keyboard that stands out for style and performance. Unique colorways and themed keycaps make it look custom right out of the box. ACO's smooth, pre-lubed switches and excellent stabilizers deliver a premium typing, field tri-mode connectivity, USB-C 2.4 GHz wireless, and Bluetooth 5.0, fully hot swappable, and comes with thick PBT keycaps. Perfect for users who want aesthetics and high-end features without the custom-build hassle. For under $100, it's a stunning, capable keyboard that feels much more expensive style, performance, and value all in one. There you have it. 5 keyboards under $100 that prove you don't need to overspend for quality. Whether you want versatility, gaming performance, durability, portability, or standout style, there's a perfect pick here. The budget keyboard market is better than ever, with premium features now accessible to everyone. Which one fits your needs? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech finds.